Another name for F block elements is inner transition elements, because it present inner the transition element, that is D block elements, so that they are called as inner transition elements. Under inner transition element we are going to learn lanthanide and actinide. So in that lanthanide and actinide, position of lanthanide and actinide, electronic configuration, oxidation state, atomic and ionic radius, and difference between lanthanide and actinides we are going to learn. Rest of the lesson in PPT.
Inner transition elements, they contains two categories. One is lanthanoid, the previous name is lanthanide, and next one actinoid, the previous name is actinide. What is lanthanoid means? The lanthanum, after containing 14 elements, that is cerium to lutetium, they filled the last electron in f orbital, so that they placed in which f orbital means 4f orbital, the electrons are filling, so that they are placed in one series in the below the periodic table. The same way in actinoid, after the actinum, the elements from thorium to lawrencium, the electrons are filled in 5s orbital, 5f orbital, so that they are placed in another row. These are placed under the periodic table, below the periodic table. So these two are called as F block elements, and then another name is inner transition elements. Why they are called as inner transition element means, because inside the D block elements, that F block elements are placed, so that they are called as inner transition elements. We know very well another name for D block elements is called as transition elements. What is transition means? They are placed between the S block elements, more active S block elements, and less active P block elements. So they are transitioned from more active to less active, so that they are called as transition element. And then F block elements are placed in between the D block elements, so they are called as inner transition elements. Lanthanum atomic number is 57. So the electronic configuration we can write it 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, then 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, up to that 1s2, 5p6. The electronic configuration is for xenon. Afterward we have 3 electron. The 3 electron enter into the 6s2, 5d1, 4f0. Here the last electron enter into the D block elements, because the lanthanum placed in the periodic table in D block elements only, so that the last electron filled in instead of 4f, it is filled in 5d1. Then the next cerium atomic number 58, then 54 up to 54 xenon configuration. The remaining, how many electron is there? 4 electron. That 4 electron filled into 6s2, 5d1, and then 4f1. So here the filling of electrons start from the 4f orbital, and after that the praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, up to europium. There is no electron in 5d orbital. Instead of filling 5d orbital, the 4f orbital are filling. Then in gadolinium, you see that there is atomic number for gadolinium is 64. So up to 54 means xenon configuration. So remaining how many electrons we are having means 10 electron. The 10 electron filled into 6s2, 4f7, and then 5d1. Here that gadolinium, to attain the stability purpose, it the one of the electron not fill into the 4f orbital. Instead of filling 4f orbital, one of the electron goes to 5d1. Because of that 4f7 means it is off-filled, so the elements wants to remain in the stable configuration. So that off-filled means stable configuration. So gadolinium electronic configuration only having that one of the electron goes to 5d orbital. Instead of filling 4f, it is goes to 5d orbital. In terbium, atomic number 65. So up to xenon 54 is filling. Afterward we have 11 electron. That 11 electron we are going to fill in 6s2 and then 4f9. Here we are starting from 5d0, that is there are no electron filling in 5d orbital up to ytterbium. You see that dicrosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium. Up to ytterbium there is no electron in 5d orbital. Instead of filling 5d orbital, the last electron goes to 4f orbital. Then in lutetium, the atomic number is 71 and electronic configuration up to 54 is xenon, and remaining we are having 11 electron. That 11 electron fill into the 6s2, 5d1 and 4f14. So here that last electron goes to 5d orbital once again. So we can now write the general electronic configuration for d block element is up to 54 xenon configuration. Afterward 4f, that is it have 2 electron to 14 electron. Sometimes it has 2 electron and then to 14 electron. And 5d, it contains 0 to 1 electron. On seeing that electronic configuration of 4f block, we can conclude that 5d orbital containing either 0 or 1 electron. Afterward the 6s orbital containing 2 electron. So the general electronic configuration for 4f series is xenon configuration 4f 2 to 14 and 5d 0 to 1 and 6s2. Period table containing 18 groups and 7 periods. In that one, that first F block elements, that is lanthanoid, they are placed in group number 3rd and period number 6. After the lanthanum, there are 14 elements. From cerium to lutetium, they are placed in the below the periodic table, because that 14 elements we cannot placed in one single box, so that they are placed under the periodic table. The same way in actinoid, they are placed in group number 3 and period number 7. After the actinum, there are 14 elements. They are have the same physical and chemical properties, and the last electron filled into the 5f orbital. They are also not placed in the single box, so that they are placed under the periodic table. The position of lanthanoid in the periodic table are justified by following properties. One is the general electronic configuration. Based on the general electronic configuration, they are placed under the below the periodic table, bottom of the periodic table. What is this general electronic configuration means? Xenon 4f 1 to 14 and 5d 0 to 1 and 6s2. The next property is the common oxidation state of lanthanides is +3. Based on this one also, it is placed under the bottom of the periodic table. Third one, all the elements, that is 14 elements, they have similar physical and chemical properties. Those who are having same properties, they must be placed in one group. But it is 14 elements are not placed in the same box, so that they are placed under the bottom of the periodic table. The same one in the actinoid. In actinoid also, there are 14 elements. They are filled in 5d orbitals. They have also having the same physical and chemical properties, so that they are placed on bottom of the periodic table. They are placed in the group number 3 and period number 7. After the actinum, there are 14 elements are placed. So hence a separate position is provided in the inner transition element in the periodic table. Oxidation state of lanthanoid. The common oxidation state of lanthanoid is +3. Why they are having +3 means the outer electron enter into the 4f orbital, 5d orbital and 6s orbital. Sometimes that 3 electron lost means they getting the common oxidation state +3. Then sometimes the lanthanoids show +2 or +4 oxidation state also. We will see one by one. Now in gadolinium actual electronic configuration is xenon 4f's, that outer electronic configuration 4f7 5d1 6s2. Here we lost the 5d electron and 6s orbital electron, means they attained the stability configuration 4f7, so that the gadolinium 3 plus is a stable one. The only one oxidation state for gadolinium is +3 alone. In lutetium also the electronic configuration, the outer electronic configuration is 4f14 5d1 6s2. If we lost the 5d orbital electron and 6s orbital electron, means that 4f14 means it is a stable configuration. So in lutetium the only one oxidation state is +3 oxidation state. Next one, in cerium the common oxidation state is +3, and then along with that we have another oxidation state is +4. In cerium, what's the outer electronic configuration? 4f1 5d1 6s2. So if we lost all the electron, the 4 outer orbital electron lost, means it get the oxidation number +4, and 4f0 means it is a stable configuration. In terbium, what is the outer electronic configuration in terbium? It is 5f9 5d0 6s2. If we lost the 6s orbital electron and 4f9 2 electron lost, means it gained the oxidation number +4, so it is a stable one. The next one, in europium, what is the electronic configuration in europium? Europium having the electronic configuration 4f7 5d0 6s2. So if we lost the 6s orbital alone, means it gained the electronic configuration 4f7, it is a stable one. So europium 2 plus is a stable electronic configuration, it possesses the oxidation number +2. In ytterbium, what is the electronic configuration? Outer electronic configuration means 4f14 5d0 6s2. So if we lost 2 electrons, 6s orbital alone, means it gained the oxidation number +2. So in ytterbium it's attained the stable electronic configuration, that is 4f14 on oxidation number +2. So in lanthanoid it shows the variation in oxidation number. The +3 is a common oxidation number, and it sometimes it shows the +2 oxidation number and +4 oxidation number. We move across the 4f series. What is 4f series? Means the electrons fill into the 4f orbital, so that they are called as 4f series from lanthanide. After the lanthanum, cerium to lutetium, the electrons are filled into 4f orbital, so they are called as 4f series. When the atomic number increases, the atomic and ionic size of that elements are slowly decreases. So that the decrease in ionic size is called as lanthanoid contraction. What is the meaning of contraction? Means they are decrease in size, so that they are called as contraction. The name is lanthanoid contraction. Then we are going to see the cause of that lanthanoid contraction. We know very well, when the elements, the atomic number increases, that one of the electron also increases, they are enter into the same inner orbital, that is 4f orbital. The same way there is an increment in the nuclear charges also. And then the 4 subshell has the diffused state, so that because of the diffused state, the shielding of 4f electron is very poor. So the 4f electron are pulled towards the nucleus, because the effective nuclear charge experienced by the 4f electrons also increases. So because of the effective nuclear charge, the 4f electrons are attracted by the nucleus. It affect into the size of that lanthanoid elements also. So the size of the lanthanoid elements decreases because of this effective nuclear charge of the effective nuclear charge experienced on the 4f subshell. This is the cause of this lanthanoid contraction. Consequences of lanthanide contraction. Consequences means effects of lanthanide contraction we are going to see. The first effect is basicity difference. Here they noticed that cerium 3 plus to lutetium 3 plus. Instead of cerium to lutetium, they have given us cerium 3 plus to lutetium 3 plus, because the common oxidation state in transition element is plus 3. In that plus 3, they are having the stable electronic configuration, so they given in the plus 3 format only. Here the cerium 3 plus to lutetium 3 plus, it is given as Ln 3 plus. What is Ln means? Lanthanoid. Lanthanum means symbol is La. That is difference between lanthanum and lanthanoid. Lanthanoid means it containing 14 elements. Lanthanum means it is a only one element, lanthanum alone. The symbol for lanthanum is La. Ln means lanthanoid. So lanthanoid 3 plus, the basic character decreases. When the atomic number slowly increases means because of the ionic and atomic size decreases, the basic character also decreases. The same way, when the basic character decreases means the ionic character also decreases. The ionic character is opposite character of covalent character. Ionic character decreases means covalent character slowly increases. This effect we are getting from the lanthanide contraction. The atomic size decreases, so that basic character decreases. The same way covalent character increases. The second effect is similarity among the lanthanide. Why they are having similarity means the atomic size in F series 10 picometer only decreases. The same way the ionic radii, the decreases amount is 20 picometer. The decreasing amount is very small amount. The very small change in lanthanoid, they affect in the chemical property also, so that they having the same chemical property, because the ionic change and atomic change is very small amount changes only, so that they are having the same chemical properties. 3D series means it is a first transition series, and 4D series it is a second transition series. You see the atomic radius. In 3D series it is having 132 picometer, and 4D series it has 145. So the atomic radius increases. Afterward 4D series to 5D series, that is 4D series means second transition series, and 5D series means third transition series. There is a same atomic radius, that is 145 picometer in 4D series. 5D series means 144 picometer. They having the same atomic radius because of this lanthanide contraction. We already see this point in page number 105. Refer that 105 pages. Actinoid. In actinoid, the 14 elements from thorium to lawrencium, they are called as actinoid. That all the actinoids are radioactive. Radioactive means they have the short half-life period, and among the 14 elements, the thorium and the uranium, they are occurred in nature. Then along with the uranium ore, we get the traces amount plutonium. Then after the neptunium, the following elements are heavier elements. They are produced in the laboratory by artificial transformation of the elements by nuclear reactions. Then the similar to lanthanoid, these actinoids also placed at the bottom of the periodic table. The general electronic configuration of actinoids are radon electronic configuration, following by 5F 0 to 2 to 14, not 0 to 14, 2 to 14, and 60 0 to 2, and 7s2. The electronic configuration of actinoids are, they do not have a definite electronic configuration. The first one, in actinium, atomic number is 89. Up to 1s2 6p6, it is a radon configuration. After radon, atomic number is 86. After 86, how many electron in actinium is 3 electron. The 3 electron goes into 7s2, 61, and 5f0. So 3 electron goes to 7s2 and 61. And in thorium, that up to 86 radon configuration, that is 86. Afterward we are having 4 electron, that 4 electron goes to 7s2 62, not into 5f orbital. And protactinium, in that one atomic number 91, so up to 86 radon configuration. Afterward we are having 5 electron, that 5 electron goes to 7s2 61 5f2. So up to that uranium, neptunium, they are having 60 orbital having 1 electron, along with that 5f orbital also filling. And in plutonium, you see the electronic configuration, there is no electron in 60 orbital. Instead of going to 60 orbital, it goes to 5f orbital. In americium also. And then in curium, in that curium, the 96 atomic number is 96. So up to radon configuration 86. Afterward you are having 10 electron. In the 10 electron, it fill into the 7s orbital, and then 5f7, and 1 electron goes to 61. To attain the stability configuration, the one of the electron goes to 60 orbital. Then once again in berkelium, you will see in next slide. In berkelium, atomic number 97, up to 86 radon configuration. Afterward we are having 11 electron. That 11 electron we are going to fill in 7s2 and then 5f9. There is no electron in the 60 orbital. Then in californium and einsteinium, and then fermium, mendelevium and nobelium, here there is no electron fill into the 60 orbital. The last electron goes to 5f orbital. And then last one in lawrencium, atomic number 103, up to 86 radon configuration. Afterward the electrons are filled in the 7s2, 7p1 and 5f14. So the electronic configuration of actinide are not definite, and generally we can say that the general electronic configuration of actinide are radon configuration 5f2 to 14, 60, 0 to 2 and 7s2. Oxidation state of actinoid, lanthanoid, actinoid also having the same common oxidation state +3. Afterward it shows the variation from +2 oxidation state to +7. In thorium and americium, you see that TH and americium, they have the +2 oxidation state, that is the last electron 7s orbital goes last, means we get the thorium +2 and americium +2 oxidation number. Then along with that we have common oxidation number +3 in thorium and americium. In thorium, you see that in +4 oxidation number means thorium outer electronic configuration 5f0, 62, 7s2. So the 62 and 7s2 electron lost means we get the oxidation number +4. Along with that we get another oxidation number +5. So like that, Pa means protactinium. In protactinium, the common oxidation number +3, and +4 oxidation number we get it from the last electron. 4 electron lost means we get the +4 oxidation number. And protactinium outer electronic configuration 5s2, 61, 7s2. So the last 5 electron lost means it has the oxidation number +5. And uranium, it has the oxidation number, common oxidation number +3. Along with that we have +4, +5, +6 oxidation number. In neptunium, +3 along with the +3, +4, +5, +6, +7. Up to americium we are having the same one, +7 oxidation up to +7. After that in cerium and berkelium, the common oxidation number +3. Along with that we have +4 oxidation number. Then afterward the same common oxidation number only we are having. Now difference between lanthanide and actinoid. Lanthanide, the last electron enter into the 4f orbital, but in actinoid the last electron enter into the 5f orbital. The 4f orbital, the binding energy is higher in lanthanide, but in binding energy of 5f orbital in actinoid is lower. Then in lanthanide they form the complexes, but they have somewhat less tendency. Then actinoid, they form complexes, but they have the greater tendency to form the complexes. And fourth one, the lanthanide form the colorless compound, but the actinoid form the compound. They are very colored one. Now see that uranium 3 plus, it has red color. Uranium 4 plus, it has green color. And uranium oxide 2 plus, it has the yellow color. The next one, the lanthanide, they do not form oxocation. What is oxocation means? It form the compound with the oxygen, and then that electron lost means they get into cation position. Now see in actinoid, uranium oxide UO2 2 plus, it is called as oxocation. And then neptunium NpO2 2 plus, it is also a oxonium, that is oxygen containing cations are called as oxocation. Lanthanide do not form oxocation, but actinoid form the oxocation. And then last one, oxidation number. The common oxidation number in lanthanide and then actinoid are +3 only. But in lanthanide, along with the +3 oxidation state, it show the +2 and then +4 oxidation state. In few cases, in actinoid, along with the +3 oxidation state, it has some variation from +4, +5, +6 and then +7 also.